The Ecological Restoration Alliance India has grown to become one of the largest communities of restoration practitioners, ecologists, conservationists, in fact landscape architects, people from various walks of life connected with restoration.
The correct answer is B, Meghalaya.
So, as an alliance, it is very important for us to create spaces where people from diverse backgrounds and experiences can come together and engage and talk freely in a stress-free environment. So, Network Mela is one such step towards creating that ambience, creating that environment.
A region that I'm very concerned about, we can do this restoration of ecologies, balance it with the restoration of values.
Trying to know that how many given families are there in our area. So you can see those red circles, that is the place where our givens are there.
Things I'm particularly learning from this conference, how community conservation and community forests and the level of both pride and empowerment that some of the communities and community groups are clearly demonstrating, displaying and showcasing.
Put forward about ecological restoration is that it has to be designed for every site, every context, every community, and working together with communities is really a big part of getting it right.
So this was a very fruitful conference for me, and I'm sure I have built some network here, and there are people who got, you say they are very happy to see the way we are working.
Here the conference, the meetings gave me a good picture to understand what's happening in the restoration around India, and also it's very inspiring to see what other people are doing.
No conversation is too intense to bring to this group, and at the same time this group makes it feel really at home, and we don't feel as much as colleagues, as friends and co-conspirators for all the kinds of experiments we want to run.
So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to host this. So hopefully in future also we'll try to hijack more conferences. Thank you so much.
How do you go on doing what you do without getting deterred by building of buildings, by drying of lakes, falling of trees? How do you build your own forest? This is what ERA India really symbolizes for all of us, where we are building a future together.